Hi guys, today I want to share with you the new model table saw GTS254 Professional. It is ideal choice when powerful and accurate cuts are needed. 545 mm rib cup capacity, cutting depth of 80 mm straight and 55 mm angle. The machine has a powerful 1800 watt motor with high torque and ideal overload capacity. Precision made easy, robust steel table ensures stability while working. 265 mm table extension with sliding wheel for a larger cutting range. The table can only be inclined to the left side, which is 45 degrees. The no-load speed will be 4300 RPM. The saw blade bore diameter is 25.4 mm. The two dimension will be 690 mm times 620 mm times 1000 mm. The net weight for this machine will be 24.4 kg. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Unscrew the special screw here to release the plate. Install the safety guide cover here and tighten it up.
Yo.